In this video, I want to show you a new platform that I've been using to make quite a bit of money online. This platform is called IQ Mining, and what it is a type of smart cloud mining. So if you've heard about Bitcoin, if you've heard about Ethereum, or any other type of cryptocurrency, this is a much simpler way to take advantage of those currencies' growth and make a whole lot of money from it. To put it very simply, how it works is they mine the most profitable altcoins being alternative coins, so not Bitcoin basically, and they trade them for Bitcoin. So they mine them with their huge facility. You can see a picture of one of them here in the background, and then they trade them for Bitcoin, and you get income to your wallet. So how does that work? Well, what happens is you buy a contract with them that gives you a certain amount of gigahertz, which is a certain amount of cryptocurrency power, and they guarantee a certain amount of return depending on your contract. So let's go to the calculate income button, and let's say that you buy 3,000 gigahertz. That's going to cost you $28. And the duration for the contract will be for 1 year. And what they expect you to make from that $28 is 37 to 39 cents a day, or in a year, $137 to $143. So in 1 year, that $28 investment will become over $100. Now, suppose you invest more. Suppose you invest around $100, which gives you about 11,292.85, so almost 11,293 gigahertz. You pay $100, and your expected amount of money that you'd make back at the end of the year would be $500, so over 5 times your money in just 1 year. This is pretty incredible. So if you only have a small amount of money to invest and you want to grow it, I would say, why not give this a try? It definitely beats the stock market, the foreign exchange market, and even your bank savings account. This is big time cash. They've only been around for 2 years, so honestly, I can't say how long they're going to stay in business, and who knows how long they're going to be offering new clients to sign up contracts with them. So definitely get into this soon, and if you have the money, put down as much as you can, because they pay out daily. So it's not like your money's just sticking there. You get paid out daily. So suppose you drop $10,000. Maybe that's a bit much. Let's say you drop, say about $1,000. Let's see. That's about $1,000. 1,001. Every month, you'd make between $450 to $472. Depending on where you live, if you're in more third world countries, that might be, a very decent amount of money to live off of. If you're in a more first world country, and maybe you want to make more like $2,000 a month, if you put in $4,553, you will make every month from $2,075 to $2,174. The reason why there's a range is this is using their formula for what is about the average they generate for you from your contract. At the end of the year, they expect you to have around $25,000. Now, suppose you could put a lot more money. Suppose you could drop, let's say, $20,000. You will make $112,217 or more every year. Pretty freaking awesome. So if you guys are excited about this, you guys can click the link below and it'll take you to IQ Mining. There are different bonuses depending on the type of account that you open. So if you have a minimum contract of 500 gigahertz right here, let's take that down to the bare minimum. That means only $5. If you only put on $5, you're a bronze account. But you don't get some of the extra benefits that you do from the higher accounts. As you get a higher and higher account, the G hash rate goes down in rate. Here it is 9.2 cents for every 10, whereas here it's 8.7 cents and here it's 8.2. So as you increase in your membership type, they decrease the cost to get the 10 gigahertz. So you end up saving money and are able to generate more money as you have higher accounts. And really, it looks like Diamond is really where it's at. You get a personal manager, ×2 monthly giveaway tickets. They give you an iPhone as a gift, plus 5% X hash rate and revenue. We are introducing you to IQ Mining Diamond Club and special exclusive conditions for everyone with a minimum contract price of $50,000. And yeah, so here are a lot of those benefits. Twice a year, they will give you a luxury Royal Caribbean cruise, 10 Bitcoin, which is a ton of money in my opinion. And yeah, you can get your benefits right away if you purchase a contract for $50,000 or more. Now, for a lot of you, you may not want to dump that much money. I'm considering it very soon because of how much this is making me. But if you want to start out in a smaller one, you can always upgrade later. But if you do have the money, I would say, $50,000 would really give you a lot of money. I mean, you'd make around $300K per year. So if you guys enjoy this video and you're really excited to try out IQ Mining, click the link below and you'll be able to sign up and open your account. And your contract can be, as high as $100,000. Your contract can be really, really small, just a few dollars. So you can try this out and see if you like it. You could get your little 6 cents payout, or you'd be like, hey, I want to put a couple $100 down. If you put 242, by tomorrow you'd have $3 in profit. I mean, literally, this is really cool. If you have, let's say, $2,000 to put down, by tomorrow you'd have $31 doing nothing, just using their machines, them generating everything with your contract. You'd be making money. All right, guys, click the link below. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment. Please like and subscribe. And I will make another video in the near future showing you guys how much money I've been able to make using IQ Mining. Yeah, thanks for watching.